Hey there, it's Allie here, and I'm really excited about this project we're gonna make. It is a phone grip made with the button press. So the first thing we're gonna do is grab some pattern paper, and I pulled some from the Paige Evans Blooming Wild collection, and I just cut out this little print. I like to use smaller prints because of the size of the button. And once you've decided on your print, you're going to die cut it. I love that the button press comes with a die, so you can cut that. And it also comes with these cutting plates that you install before you cut. So you're gonna just slide that in, and then we're just gonna press down, and that's gonna cut out our paper in a perfect circle, ready for the button. We're making a medium-sized button, so I've got my medium-sized pieces here, the top and the back, and then the Mylar sheet as well. And now we're gonna switch out the die cutting plates for the button making plates. Now the nice thing is this is all magnetic, so everything just kind of fits together nicely. And we're gonna put the base in and just rotate it until that center piece drops. And then we'll just take this piece and just pop it up in here using the guides, and it will magnetize into place. So the first thing we're gonna do is put the button top in right here and just make sure that's nice and flat and level. And then next we're gonna put the paper that we cut in there, and then the Mylar piece right on top. And then we're gonna slide this back in. And now here you're gonna just wanna make sure that you line up that arrow with the A line, guideline here, and same thing on the bottom, so AA. And then we'll press down. Now swing this back out, and you're gonna notice the button's gone. That's okay, because it's up in there, and we're ready to put the back on. Now for this particular project, we're going to take out the pin because we're going to add it to the phone grip. So we'll just remove that, flip it over, pop that in, and then we'll slide that over. And now we're gonna rotate both pieces to B, okay? We've got that ready, and then we'll go down. And that is going to make our button. Now when I pull this out, I like to push bottom up, and then out comes the button. And now we're going to put that onto the phone grip. So here's just a basic phone grip. And you can get these online, you can get them at electronic stores, you know, that kind of thing. And I recommend using VHB adhesive, whether that's glue or tape. And then just before we get that set down, we're just gonna kind of center it and then press down. And then we're going to use these adhesive dots that you can get for the button press. And I like to use this because I like to switch my buttons in and out. So I like to switch it up a little bit. And then we're just gonna press that down. And now we've got a nice little phone grip. Makes it easier to hold your phone. So you can switch them out. I have all kinds of different fun designs that I made. And so depending on your mood or the time of year, you can switch out your phone grip decorations. And it's just a fun, easy project that you can make in minutes with the button press.